In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track and cash out your earnings in the Dasher app. Let's start right inside the app. Open the Dasher app and head straight to the earnings tab. You'll usually find it along the bottom of the screen. Think of this as your money dashboard. It's where you'll see everything you've made and how it all adds up, all in one place. Once you're in, you'll notice a real-time breakdown of your pay. It's organized into three parts: base pay, tips, and promotions or bonuses. Base pay is what you earn from Doordash for each delivery, based on things like time, distance, and order desirability. Tips are the amounts customers add, and they show up as soon as they're processed. Promotions and bonuses include things like peak pay or challenges that boost your totals during busy times. If you tap into recent dashes, you'll often see these pieces itemized so you can understand exactly where each dollar came from. This clarity helps you plan your schedule and focus on the times and areas that pay best. Here's a helpful reminder: the earnings tab updates instantly after each dash, so your totals reflect your latest delivery right away. That means you can track your progress run by run and make decisions on the fly about whether to keep going or wrap up for the day. Next, keep an eye on your daily and weekly totals. Use the views in the earnings section to compare how you're doing today versus earlier in the week. Watching these trends can highlight your most profitable days and times, and it's a simple way to set goals and see your progress as it happens. If you need records, you can download monthly statements. These statements are handy for budgeting, proof of income, or tax time. Look in the earnings area for statements or history, choose the month you want, and save or share the file so you have a clean, consolidated snapshot of that period. When it's time to get paid, you have two options. Fast Pay lets you cash out daily for a small $1.99 fee, which is great if you want your money the same day. Or you can wait for the weekly direct deposit, which is free and lands automatically in your bank account. Choose the method that matches your cash flow needs. If you want the quickest access, use Fast Pay. If you prefer to avoid fees, stick with weekly deposits. That's it. Open the earnings tab, see your breakdown, track your totals, save statements when needed, and pick the payout that works best for you. Happy dashing.